template creation is redesigned to make it easier for everyone to manage their content and visualize the look and feel of the template. All you have to do is click on New Template here. In the first step, give the template details like the name of the template. Choose the language from the drop down here. Then either choose the category as marketing or utility. In the next step, design the template by giving the content and adding the CTS. You can have a header section where you can either have a text or a media file attached, where it can be image, document or a video as well. In the next step, give the body of the template. You can add variable for personalizing the template. In this template, I have added a variable hi1. So I have to give a sample content that what this variable might contain. Here 1 symbolizes the name of the person to whom I am sending this template. So I will give the sample content. I can add a footer section and buttons too. In the buttons, you can either add a quick reply or call to actions. You can shuffle the arrangement of quick replies and call to actions by clicking on the icon here. To add a button, click here. Then you can choose the type of button that you want to add, give a label and the details of the configuration. You can add a quick reply also. You can add more than 1 button. You can also shuffle between buttons in a particular section. To see the quick replies and call to actions and the content of the template and visualize the look and feel of the template, click on the play button here to see how all the options will look to the user. Once you have configured everything, click on Create Template here.